I have been doing a lot of yoga. I took on a challenge to do 4 classes a week the entire month of April. And today was all about doing heart openers. And my blissful moment came in realizing that I get to open my heart more. And several times throughout the class, I found myself in tears. And it just made me aware of where I am and where I get to be. I read through some old notes that I had written about really wanting to put the extra in my ordinary life to make it extraordinary. And so today I got present to that I have more room to go into the extraordinary. Blissful for a moment of awareness and patience and being clear and good with where I am and knowing where I get to go.